Sanam Baloch. Top actress and television host Sanam Baloch was born on July 14, 1986 in Karachi. Sanam Baloch is a graduate of Karachi University. She has two brothers, Farhan Baloch and Abbas Baloch, and an elder sister, Sabreen Hisbani, who is also a well-known television actress. Sanam Baloch could be a graduate of Urban Center University. She has two brothers, Farhan Baloch, associated Abbas Baloch, and an elder sister, Sabreen Hisbani, who is additionally a documented TV thespian Pakistani. After Sanam Baloch started her career with the program within the Sanskritic language TV KDN on Sanskritic language channel KDN, Sanam Baloch worked in shows i.e. Sanam Malaysian Mujahideen Group Passanj and Dinoa. Sanam Baloch entered Urdu TV trade with the Fahad Mustafa's play Kalab. The play was successful. Sanam Baloch has additionally appeared in several music videos, each in Urdu and Sanskritic languages. Career of Pakistani actress Sanam Baloch. Sanam Baloch has been self-made from the primary day of his career. All this fame wasn't new for her, as she has been fashionable in Sanskritic language TV. Pakistani thespian Sanam Baloch started her career in Sanskritic language TV station KDN at once, finishing her admission. Sanam Baloch, attributable to her spirited nature and innocent face, became therefore fashionable that folks would climb over each other simply to urge a glimpse of her. Once she accustomed to attend Sanskritic language speaking areas like Larkana, or called Slipping Tongue. Hot Pakistani model Sanam Baloch was launched by Fahad Mustafa, additionally called Sunny Tunio. Pakistani thespian terribly with pride accepts this reality associated. Thanks Fahad Mustafa for everything she has these days as an actor. Sanam Baloch and Fahad Mustafa had met on the set of program Sanam Baloch was hosting. At that point, Fahad Mustafa was operating in an exceedingly play Kalab, and he required a feminine thespian. Fahad Mustafa at once approached Sanam Baloch, the feminine thespian aforementioned, an immediate no, as she was uncertain if she might act. However, Fahad Mustafa somehow convinced her to mention affirmative. The play visited to be successful. However, Sanam Baloch had never expected the play to urge immense success. Pakistani thespian says, the play was ventilated at the hours of darkness, and within the morning I started obtaining calls from individuals congratulating me on my performance during this day and age. Once their square measures such a lot of channels, this can be actually outstanding. After such a self-made break in Urdu TV trade, Sanam Baloch went on vacation for 2 years. This was clearly terribly foolish call on her half. However, she says that in these years she grew as an individual, and once returning she knew what reasonably roles she would really like to play, and artery what role to decide on, what certificate and director to decide on. Prime thespian learned to mention no to roles that weren't worthy. She solely accepted lead roles that with sturdy scripts. Sanam Baloch says, new individuals have difficulties enough obtaining work. However, I even have been lucky that I even have actually elect what I need to try to do. In 2009 to 2010, Sanam Baloch was hosting a morning show named Morning with Hum. However, she left it to focus additional on acting. Presently, Sanam Baloch is hosting a program Sabah Sahari Sama K Soth on Sagma TV. General profile: birth name Sanam Baloch, nickname Sam Page, or birth date July 14, 1986. Sisters: Sabreen Hisbani, TV actress, and Nadine. Brothers: Farhan Baloch and Abbas Baloch. Zodiac sign Cancer. Hair color black. Hair length long and healthy. Hair eye color dark black brown. Complexion fair. Height 5 feet 5 inch 1.65 m. Figure 34:26. Husband name Abdullah Fartella. Birthplace Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan. Languages Punjabi, Sindhi, Urdu, English. Hobbies: modeling. Hosting. Affiliation S belonging to TV serial. Citizenship Pakistan, live in Karachi. Nationality Pakistani. Famous for acting. Sanam Baloch is spending a successful married life. Even she is fulfilling her dreams in Pakistani fashion industry. She has martial relationship with Abdullah Fartella.